K. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm glad to have you. If you want to know how to become a K Diamond, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and join the K Diamonds family. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright y'all, so this video is how to get smooth, silky skin. Now I've been a type that really suffered from snake skin, girl, even strawberry legs, okay? Even strawberry legs, but I have the trick for you. Ooh. So I have the trick for you, girl. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the products that I have for you all today. So how to get smooth, silky skin. You know we all want our body to feel like butter when we in a bed and just smooth, silky. Now, okay, in order for you to get silky skin, everything starts in the shower, okay? Everything starts in the shower. So if you are not doing this in the shower, you will not have silky skin. The shower and you're just putting on body oils or things of that sort, it's just not going to give you silky skin just because you are putting these oils in. The trick to getting silky skin, number one, is, first and foremost, number one is using this brush. You have to have some type of exfoliating brush. It doesn't have to be too hard. This one right here is from Eco Tools, okay? I actually got this from TJ Maxx. You can get this from TJ Maxx, Marshalls. You can get it from Target. You can go to Walmart and find you a brush like this, okay? You need some type of brush with a little bit of, you know, hard bristles, but not too hard. And you must scrub your body. You have to scrub a dub-dub, scrub a dub-dub, scrub a dub-dub, scrub your back. If you can't get your back, this will get your back, okay? This will get your back. You'll be surprised how dirty your back is, girl. So you gotta get a scrub a dub-dub like this, and you gotta scrub all around your legs, your feet, everything, okay? So this is one of the tools that I like using. Another tool that I like using, used to have real bad strawberry legs, girl, but I'm noticing and been noticing that my legs are becoming so cute and smooth without the little dot strawberry legs, girl. So what I've been using, so this is the exfoliating gloves. Now I had a package of exfoliating gloves in here. As y'all can see, I love exfoliating gloves when I take my showers because it literally exfoliates your body. So if you're the type of female that only use body scrubs, that ain't gonna work, boo, okay? You have to have something that is going to exfoliate your body. So you have to have something that is going to exfoliate your body. So this right here, I purchased from Amazon. I believe it was like 6 different gloves in here, different colors. So right now I only have one more left, which is the blue color, and I need to go purchase me some more because I don't know what to do without these gloves. So these gloves I use every day, okay? I use the gloves every day. I may not use this brush every day, but these gloves, girl, these exfoliating gloves, I actually use every day. So it's a must that you use it every day in order for you to get real smooth skin, because guess what, when you exfoliate your body every day, it's going to get that dead skin off of you, and it's going to have a new layer of smooth, silky skin, you know, as you continue to use these exfoliating products, okay? So definitely purchase you some off of Amazon. I believe, you know, Target of course has exfoliating gloves, and Walmart has some gloves. So everything will be down in the description box down below if I can find some, okay? So after we do that, I then go in with this Dove exfoliating body polish. Now one thing I like about this Dove body exfoliating polish is not like a usual regular scrub, which means that you could feel the grit on it. This is actually a real polish. Like, it's not, you know, it's exfoliating polish, but it's not harsh. It's not real hard on your skin. So then after I do that, which is the dry brushing, it's a dry brush. So you got a dry brush. So after I do all of that, I then go in with the Dove. So this is the Dove exfoliating body polish, pomegranate seed and shea butter. I got this from Target, girl, and I believe Walmart also has it, but this is it right here. Okay, so this is the Dove exfoliating body polish. You could definitely purchase it, and I will have it in the description box down below. But this stuff smells so freaking good. Oh, gosh, why she smells so good? So this stuff smells really good. So this is another product that you need to use inside the shower, okay? So after you're dry brushing and all of that there, I do like to use a sugar scrub. So this sugar scrub is the Raw Sugar Scrub Moisture Loving by Raw Sugar, okay? So it is the watermelon and fresh mint scent. When I tell y'all, this stuff smells so good, it makes me want to cry. I just love things that smell so good. It's just like you want to eat it, but don't eat it, okay? But this right here is the watermelon fresh mint scent. Oh, but this is one of my favorite body scrubs, okay? It's by Raw Sugar. I actually got this from Walmart. And I also like the container. You get a good amount of body sugar in here. Body scrub in here. So it's a sugar scrub, but you get a good amount of this, y'all. And again, it's in the watermelon and fresh mint. So I like to go ahead and exfoliate my body with this after I do all of that, okay? So this is it right here. Again, you can purchase it from Walmart or Target, all right? Now that we did all of that in the shower, it's very important, y'all, again, to make sure you're dry brushing, exfoliating, all of that inside the shower. So then after we did all of that, the sugar scrub and all of that, then I will go in with a good body wash, okay? So the body wash I'm using is the Naturium, the Perfector Salicylic Acid Body Wash, all right? So it smooths, softens, and renews for more even looking skin. So again, this is from Naturium. This is the green bottle, all right? This is the green bottle, and it has the celiac in it, which means that it makes your skin be very smooth, and it also, you know, correct the discoloration and all of that there for even looking skin tone, okay? So this right here is what I have. I actually got this from Target as well, y'all. So after you go in with a good body wash, now we're out the shower, okay? So now it is time to go in with some products that is going to get that skin nice and smooth, all right? First and foremost, while I'm moisturizing my body with something, honey, do not forget about your feet. Don't forget about your heels on your feet, because I know it's getting cold outside and your heels is going to be crusty and dusty and just not where it's at, okay? So you need to go purchase you this Aveeno Skin Relief Repairing Foot Mask. This is a foot mask, honey. So you want to put this on your feet. This is a good foot mask that's going to keep your foot nice, smooth, and moisturized and not dry. You don't want to have no dry feet, like, you know, all of us, well, I'm gonna say all of us, but some of us get the little dry. Some of us feet get dry, especially on our heels. So you definitely want to use an Aveeno Skin foot mask, and it doesn't really have to be Aveeno. It can be any type of foot mask, but this is my favorite foot mask. It's from Aveeno. Aveeno is a good brand, especially when it comes to moisturization for your skin and your body, okay? So definitely get you a skin repairing foot mask. So while I have this foot mask on, then I will go in with using my products to moisturize my body, okay? First and foremost, what I realized is that I like to go in with a body butter first before I go in with a oil. So a body butter or a body lotion. So right here, what I have for you all is the Flamingo Light Hydrating Spray Body Lotion. So this is a hydrating spray, okay? Actually, let's spray some on my arm right now so you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and do a demonstration for y'all. Okay, so this is my arm right here. And again, this is the Flamingo. So I purchased this from Target, y'all, okay? Purchased it from Target. So we are going to see how moisturized she get. So she spray like this. Oh. Okay, so we are just going to moisturize our body. Put some right here. And y'all, when I tell y'all, this stuff smells so freaking good. So do y'all see the moisturization on this? Y'all see how shiny this is? This is without the body oil. So I'm telling y'all, I purchased this from Target. Okay, look at that. Look how shiny she already is without even the body oil on there. Okay, all right, so I just had to do a little demonstration for y'all to show you guys, like, sometimes when you choosing a body lotion, you have to choose the right kind to make sure that you are getting moisturized. All right, so look at this. I mean, my skin feels so smooth with that. So this is what I go in first with. And then I will go in with the body butter. This is one of my favorite body butters, which is the Fenty Skin body butter. So I'm gonna put her on too. But this Fenty Skin smells really good. This is the Fenty Skin body butter. So then I go in with the Fenty Skin body butter. So we're gonna put her on too. So basically what we're doing, y'all, is we're just layering on top of each other. We're layering to be smooth and moisturized. Okay, it's getting cold outside. You don't want to be looking ashy. It's getting cold. We need to put some on this other arm too. So it's getting cold outside. You don't want to be ashy. Okay, so boom. So you did do that. Oh. All right. So now that we did that, we are going to go in with a scented body oil. So the scented body oil that I'm using right now is by Being French, or what's the name of this stuff, y'all? French Shade. Anyway, I got this from Target. It is in the scent Lavender Cloud. So this is it right here. Okay, so I purchased this from Target. So we're gonna open her up. All right, let me do a demonstration for y'all too, so y'all can see how to get this smooth, extra skin, smooth skin. All right, so we're gonna open her up, right? Gonna put her on. And y'all see how smooth my skin is already looking, because I really exfoliate my body so much so, okay? All right, so then after we do that, look how shiny and smooth she looks. Look how shiny and smooth she looks. All right, so last but not least, the last product we are going to use is the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. All right, so now we're going to demonstrate. We're gonna put some of this on so y'all can see. Here's my arm. This is the last product you put on, okay? And look at that. Look at this, hunty. All right, so this is how you get smooth, silky skin. Look at this. This is how. This is how. I mean, just all around smooth, silky skin. So who's to tell you from somebody that already know what to do, honey? Look at that. Get up close and personal. Get up close and personal. Okay? So this is what your skin is going to look like when you do what I'm telling you to do. Now imagine your skin. That's just my arm now. Now imagine your whole body. So imagine your whole body is like that, okay? Imagine your whole body is like that. So last but not least, oh, I have one more product. This is for the internal. So last but not least, apple cider vinegar. So I brought apple cider vinegar for you all because not only do you have to take care of the outside of your body, you have to definitely make sure that you're taking care of the inside of your body, okay? Apple cider vinegar has a lot of great benefits to it, and one of the benefits for apple cider vinegar, it literally clears your skin. It's very good for your internal organs. It's very good to eliminate waste out of you as well. So this is very, very important. What I usually use with the apple cider vinegar, y'all, is I take 2 capfuls and put it in some water, dilute it, and drink it on a daily basis, or every other day, or every 3 days. It just depends on what you want to do with that, okay? So definitely purchase you some apple cider vinegar, honey, and do not ever forget that it always starts on the inside, the internal first, before you take care of the outside, okay? So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below, y'all. Let me know your favorite products. Let me know what you usually do to get smooth, silky skin. Just let me know what type of products you like, okay? And join the K Diamonds family. Go ahead and press that like button so we can go ahead and jump in that algorithm, girl. And make sure you comment down below. Let me know your favorite products, any type of products that you are using for the fall and winter months, okay? I love y'all.